Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up an Airbnb payout method. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the payout settings and what to expect as you complete the setup, so your earnings arrive smoothly after each completed reservation. It helps to have your bank details and any required tax information nearby, as some countries require additional verification. Start by opening your web browser and going to Airbnb.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Make sure you're using the account you host with, since payouts are tied to that profile. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and select the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. This opens a panel with your account options. From here, choose Account Settings. This section is your hub for profile, security, and financial preferences. Inside Account Settings, go to Payments. This is where Airbnb organizes both how you pay for trips and, importantly for hosts, how you get paid. Within Payments, find and select Payouts. The Payouts area is dedicated to the methods and destinations where Airbnb will send your earnings. Now select Set Up Payouts. Airbnb will guide you through an on-screen process tailored to your country and currency. You'll typically choose a payout method, such as a bank transfer or other available options in your region, and then enter the requested details. Be sure the name on the payout method exactly matches the legal name on your bank account to avoid delays. Depending on your location, you may be asked to provide your address, tax details, or identity verification. Simply follow the prompts as they appear. Before you finish, review the summary on screen to confirm everything is correct, then submit. Airbnb may send a confirmation email, ask you to verify small test deposits, or show a short pending period while it validates your information. You can return to the Payouts page anytime to check the status. Once approved, your method will be ready to receive funds. You can also add additional payout methods later and choose a default one in the same place. That's the full process. Go to Airbnb, open the menu, enter Account Settings, select Payments, open Payouts, choose Set Up Payouts, and follow the on-screen procedure. Keep your information accurate, enable account security features, and set this up before your first booking to avoid any payment delays. Thanks for following along, and you're all set to receive payouts on Airbnb.